Hello everyone, this is Swati from ThemeHunk.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can add and customize circular progress bar block in your website. For this, first you have to install and activate Unlimited Blocks for Gutenberg. Now I am navigating to my pages. I am creating a new page to show you how you can add or edit circular progress bar block. Adding my page title, going with the block panel, here search circular progress bar, click on it. This is our circular bar block. These settings are given in our block: circle setting and text setting. In circle setting, you can adjust the percentage of your bar, width, stroke width. You can also adjust the animation delay. You can choose stroke edges type, circular or flat, like this. You can change the stroke color, stroke background color, fill background color, after doing the circle setting, I am navigating to text setting. Here you can show or hide the titles from your bar. You can add your title from here. You can adjust the font size, change the font color, percent font size, percent font color. You can also add your additional CSS class here. In this way, you can easily add and customize circular progress bar block in your website. I hope this video tutorial will help you. For more video tutorials like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe ThemeHunk.